I'm so used to being broke, but not no more. I'm buying all the things I never could afford. Like what? I'm so used to being broke, but not no more. I'm buying all the things I never could afford. Like what the hell? Top shelf. We gon' toast tonight to temporary will. Mama told me, baby, save it, knowing me, I probably won't. All this money in my pocket gotta go. I'm so used to being broke. Remember days like just last week. There wasn't nothing in the kitchen left to eat. Girl, what you want? Go pick it out. My wallet looking bigger than my belly now. Girl, what a shame. They slept on me. They coming back and now they crawling on their knees. Ain't nothing changed. Same old me. Came up on some change, but that doesn't change a thing. I'm so used to being broke, but not no more. I'm buying all the things I never could afford. Like what the hell? Top shelf. We gon' toast tonight to temporary will. Mama told me, baby, save it, knowing me, I probably won't. All this money in my pocket gotta go. I'm so used to being broke.
Dropping out of college, said goodbye to that degree. Playing every college party from Georgia to Tennessee. Packing six up in the van, six string in my hand. Sleeping in them parking lots, drinking natty out the can. Ain't saying that I'm rich, but I got a couple dollars to blow. You know, yeah, we gon' celebrate tonight. Put some champagne on some ice, 'cause you can't take it with you when you go.
I'm so used to being broke, but not no more. I'm buying all the things I never could afford. Like what the hell? Top shelf. We gon' toast tonight to temporary will. Mama told me, baby, save it, knowing me, I probably won't. All this money in my pocket gotta go. I'm so used to being broke.
This dance is called Broke Ass. It's a 32 counts, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance, starting with the left foot. Section 1. Weight is on the right foot. Side rock, recover. Behind, side, cross, and cross. Unwind, 3/4 right turn, keeping weight on left foot. You're now facing 9. Right foot, coaster step, back, together, forward. Section 2, forward left, half turn left back on right, facing 3. Shuffle half turn left on left, right, left, facing 9. Out, out, hold. Jump right to right, jump left to left side. Hold to forward and count. Sway hips to the right, sway hips to the left. Section 3, right foot, cross, back, back. Left foot, cross, back, quarter left, stepping left to left, facing 6. Walk forward, right, left. Scuff right forward, hitch right, making quarter left turn, step right to right side. You're now facing 3. Section 4, left foot, cross rock, recover. Quarter left turn, shuffle forward on left, right, left, facing 12. Step forward right, pedal quarter turn left. Weight onto left foot, facing 9. Cross shuffle, cross side, cross. Let's do the counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In this dance, there are 2 restarts. The first restart happens on wall 2 after 24 counts. I'm facing 12 now. Wall 2 starts facing the 9 o'clock wall. You dance 3 sections, 24 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here's the 24 counts. Weight is on the right foot, facing 12. Restart the dance. Side, rock, behind, side, cross, and cross. The second restart happens on wall 6. Wall 6 starts facing the 3 o'clock wall. After the 24 counts, you'll be facing the 6 o'clock wall to restart the dance. As for the ending of the dance, the last wall of the dance starts facing the 9 o'clock wall. You'll be doing the last section, section 4, facing the 12 o'clock wall. Cross, rock, quarter left, shuffle forward. Instead of pedal quarter left, you will step forward right, pivot 3/4 left turn, facing the front wall, stomp right to right, stomp left to left to finish the dance facing the front wall.